Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I've got Bruce here with an absolutely stunning 1965 Chevy Impala Super Sport. Bruce, welcome to my show.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about your car.
65 SS. I've had it about a little over 3.5 years. More than that, 4 years.
4 years. Yeah, time flies, huh?
It does. I built it for my wife. She passed away before I finished.
Sorry.
So we took it to her hometown in Vancouver.
Yeah.
On the island to Duncan.
Right.
And we drove around town with it. And she would have loved it.
Yeah, she would have.
And then I've been driving it since.
Excellent. So this car, there's nothing stock on this car.
No.
Everything's been done, which is absolutely incredible. Let's start with the paint. What color paint is this? It's
a majestic
incredible.
blue. This is a factory blue.
It's a factory color?
It's a factory color.
Repainted?
Yes.
Okay, but it was a factory color. That's awesome. It was a great color. So the matching on the interior doors and hood and everything else is the same because it's the same color.
Yeah.
Beautiful. When was it painted?
3 years ago.
Did a beautiful job. And the suspension on this car?
The suspension is factory.
Okay.
The brakes are updated to discs.
Okay.
All four. It's got 17-inch tires.
Okay.
That's just because I got a deal on the rubber.
Absolutely. And the rubber on these, the front is what, and what's on the rears?
They're all the same.
Yep.
All 17s.
And width on them?
I think they're 55.
Wow.
I'm not sure.
That's okay.
But they are a pursuit tire.
Okay.
Which means they're off the police car.
Yes. Yep. Yeah. They're going to lock up and they're going to catch and they're going to bite.
Yeah, it doesn't leave rubber.
No.
It just goes.
Just goes. That's excellent.
Goes.
And the engine in this?
6.2.
6.2.
LT.
Yeah. So it's not a factory engine.
Well, it's a factory for 17.
Yes, but not for
65.
What's it putting up horsepower?
A little over 500.
That's a lot. A lot in a car that doesn't weigh a whole hell of a lot. Which is great. And what else have you done to the engine? Is this just out of the crate as it is?
Just a stock engine.
Excellent.
We just eliminated some of the pollution on it.
Yep.
It's got a 4L80 behind it.
Yep.
373 posi. I had to redo the drive shaft.
Okay.
We broke that.
You broke it?
Well, we broke the motor tranny and the drive shaft and the rear end. So we had to redo it again. So this time we built the drive shaft.
Yeah. Reinforced it. A little more power. You know, better for the torque it's going to put out.
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah.
it'll handle the power.
Yeah.
Where the old drive shaft was 60-some years old and
It's just had its day.
it just took it right in the middle.
Well, you know what? It did a good job for the time it had. It lived a good life. And the exhaust on it?
It's Borla exhaust.
Borla exhaust. Straight pipe all the way through? Resonator? No resonator.
There's 2 mufflers.
It's going to have a good sound to it.
It's got a nice sound.
Got a nice little pop to it. Excellent. Excellent. And the interior is...
It's all repop. It's all redone.
Yeah.
It's gone out to the States. But it's all factory blue.
Okay.
The same as what the factory did.
Would have been in there, yeah. Same stitching and everything? Everything. So it's identical, just new. Excellent. And the dashboard's in beautiful shape. Has that been replaced?
That's been replaced. The headline has been done.
Yeah.
Because we gutted the sink.
Okay.
There was nothing on the shelf. And we just built it from there.
Right. So you bought it really nothing in there.
I bought it the shelf.
Yeah.
The rest we did.
That's incredible. A lot of work. How long did it take to do?
2 years.
That's not bad.
No.
Okay.
But I'm not working anymore, so I have time to play.
You have time to play.
Now I don't want to do it anymore. This is enough.
Now you're done. This is your only car like this?
Yeah, we've got some we're building.
Yeah.
But this is the only one we've got done.
Right. And you enjoy it?
I do.
It drives well, handles well?
Mostly.
Mostly?
It needs some rubber bushings in the front.
Okay.
Other than that, everything's new.
Okay. So it drives well otherwise. Excellent. Anything you want to do still to the car other than rubber bushings?
I'm going to put AC in.
What's that?
I'm going to put AC in.
AC. So great. A lot of them didn't come with AC. It's funny because I know SS's typically usually had AC.
Not here.
No?
In the States, yes.
Okay.
Canada, no.
Okay.
Because we never got that hot.
We live in a cold climate, right?
Back in '65, it never got as warm as it does now.
Yeah.
These cars get warm.
Yeah.
And them seats, you feel it.
Vinyl?
You sweat. Yeah.
Yeah. It's typical, yeah. Typical. And it's automatic transmission?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's still...
4-speed automatic.
4-speed still stock?
No.
No?
4L80.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I guess with the size of the engine, you couldn't really have that stock transmission.
You can run the stock one, but then you got to beef it up.
Yeah.
And 2 speeds is just like that.
No, it doesn't do it, does it? No. No.
No, she'd be screaming down the highway at just 2 speeds.
Yeah.
But she cruises nice at 2,200.
Yeah.
And she goes all right.
Yeah. It's fairly economical. I mean, it's not... Well, I figure with the new engine and the fuel injection, it would be...
No, if you got to run premium, you're paying about... Like, it gets maybe 15, 20 miles to the gallon.
That's it?
If lucky.
Wow.
But I got a 373 posi in it, too, so... If it had a better low-end gears, it would be better.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got little power gears.
It's geared for the power.
Yeah.
Yeah, which, I mean, that's just what you want for a car like this anyway. So you got the power, you got the car, you got the sound, you're going to have to sacrifice fuel economy.
Yes.
That's not a problem, I get that. All right, anything else about the car you want to mention?
No.
No?
Nothing I can think of.
All right. Well, Bruce, thank you so much for being on my channel. I do appreciate you taking the time to talk about your Impala.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.